Alrighty, guys, I have calmed down, guys. I still think this customer or this car owner should do some time behind bars because she put other lives at risk. Yeah, the piston came all the way out and it's scrubbed so bad. This is the only thing left. It's scrubbed into the backing plate. Like this right here on this side was disintegrated. So this is the only thing that was on there. Yeah, you trying to tell me you didn't hear nothing, lady? You put everybody's life in danger, all right? And I didn't spare no expenses on the parts I need. In fact, she still ended up saving money, and I have no problem with that part. But speaking of parts, I think I'm still waiting on some brake pads. Yeah, guys, don't play with those calipers. If those pistons come out too far, you have no choice. You know, you got a choice, okay? But yeah, I don't know anybody that rebuild calipers anymore. I used to do that back in the day. Yeah, I think these are for the rear. So I got rear. I don't have front over here. I got 4 rotors. We're gonna do the back brakes. I'm saying back brakes. We're gonna do the rear brakes. Look at the size of this freaking caliper. Whoa. So now, guys, when you replace calipers, keep in mind and factor that in your estimate. I will have to bleed the brakes. Okay, yeah, you gotta take a brake line off. Okay, so naturally, I wonder if I got any copper. The little look at that. Yeah, right there. You definitely gotta have that. So I'm doing both calipers on both front wheels. This ought to learner. Yeah, paying this kind of money. No, this wasn't that expensive. And this is CarQuest? Why didn't they get no Mopar? Look, they got the nerve that want the old core back. You know what they're gonna do with the old calipers, right? Yeah, nothing wrong with these. We're just doing rear brakes, placing the pads and the rotors. Nobody want the cores back, right? Because they're gonna rebuild them. Guys, calipers have to be one of the easiest piece of equipment you can overhaul. I used to take these pistons out, had a little home going out, bzzz, clean it all out. It's a seal. Oh my goodness, yeah. So I don't blame them for wanting these back, and they're gonna clean them up and put them back in the box for the next dummy like this. That, you know, keep driving until the piston come out and all the fluid spill all over the ground. They had no brakes. I barely made it in the freaking shop. All right, JT, calm down. Calm down. It's okay. Hoosah. Hoosah. Yes. Breathe. Breathe. This pisses me off, man. Okay. I'm not going to film me doing brakes. It's typical brakes, okay? Yeah. Take the caliper. I'm going to clean up everything. Everything's getting replaced. I might fire the camera back up when we bleed them, but that'll be on a different video. So, in other words, I'm going to end this video. Y'all, don't do this. All right? Whatever you do, don't be such a knucklehead. Oh, my God. I got to go. Thanks for watching.